The InnBeauty Mystery Box arrived. This was $79, and I'm a sucker for a good deal mystery box. First up, we have 4 of the Electrified Lightning Bolt eye masks to increase the look of bright, hydrated, energized eyes and filter away dark circles and puffiness. I have not tried these. There's only one InnBeauty product that I've tried, and I'll tell you about that later. Pimple Paste, overnight drying paste infused with willow bark, sulfur, oregano, and thyme. It's a fast-acting drying paste, alcohol-free to fade the look of pesky spots quickly and effectively. Slushy, hyaluronic acid, and bakuchiol serum. That sounds like something that should be on OnlyFans. But this deeply hydrates skin and improves the appearance of uneven texture. 10+10 moisturizer. AM and PM moisturizer infused with 10% peptide complex, 10% vitamin C complex, and ceramides. Power Up energizing and hydrating face mist. Instantly hydrates and revives dull, dry skin. Helps visibly soothe stressed out skin. I was just looking for something like this on Sephora, so I'm going to try this out first. Got a bag. Same bag I got at Sephora, and I like it, and it's cute, and I like that it is waterproof, wipey up on the inside. Makes my life a lot easier, and then it doesn't get all gross. This is a duo. We have the Bright and Tone Firming Eye Cream, which is their viral eye cream. Instantly brightens with optical brighteners while decreasing the look of dark circles and wrinkles over time. Incredible on its own or under concealer. Half a pump to each eye and massaging at 360 around the eyes. Face Glaze Highlighting Gel Cream. Makes your skin look like you have a ring light on you at all times. A soft focus glow without any chunky glitter. You can wear it alone, mixed with your favorite foundation, or as a highlighter. And the last 2 things are the Glaze Lip Oils. This is Candy Apple and this is Mystery. They told me what it was, and I don't remember what it was. InnBeauty was set up at Sephora, and at their booth, you could pick out which glazed lip oil you wanted. So I chose the Candy Apple, and I liked it. It smelled so good, and like your lips are right here, and your nose is right here, so you could smell it, and it smelled so good. And I used it, and then I noticed I was getting cracks here, and my lips split, and that's not good. So I put it away, and then I tried it again, and the same thing happened again. So this isn't the product for me, but I know that doesn't happen to everybody, not nearly everybody. So this is going to go in my, this will be for somebody else, but not for me pile, because I'm not going to chance that again. But I have everything else to play with, and I'm super excited. What do you think? Do you think this is worth $79?